Wate ngabaja kutoata kali assembly na intutwale ngine bintu byeto byo macho. Ezeke karokyo mwali mukagete ngamoira magimaito. Na inu munyaira oyotali mondoro kota konya rumaria sabwa kwero. Yes. Imonyaira na inu paka mukwe. Lazima mtakufa pia nyinyi. Amwezi tuuzie uoga ebintu bye account because aleka ngatobori. We must ask. Ndogwate kipara. Amaji ndali ngatu kuzana kuruwa sabe. Omo speaker na ba MCA bawo chora. Wa bantu bakwe zoini. We never allow that. Na ande tikamna tokokora. We going back to the house. More speaker. Thank you. 100 people recognize you. Uno mo acting speaker. Who is going to be a speaker? Ama tukale uno. Yes. Kuchakiraiga. Umusacho nane nyanga nantwaje tuko mukirinye kero gali assembly. Lero leader minority. Ngotalinga mondo moke omwato oleze ko rumwa mama ndoza ko basekereria. Aba skaba boss kuna bara. Timu yetu y'abantu 22 no tole ku 23. Kero mondo ngorware 100,000 na ndi chiyo kuma changu kwenye. Kuna tora 20. Ayuna yande ko sina ngone na je mu kyama kokko yo. Yes, the in agreement. No moske ben orori mumanyi. Ekeregwa manganale. Igambe kira 100,000 disesi miaiga toru uchise kinje yuko gaje nyumba yo mitonyanga. When account commissioner will promise that tutaweka amani. We don't want to disturb you when you will be doing your security issues. We want to promise you that. Almost coming to you oyo buzungu. Na ado muske korunka. Nere mwari kumukono kumwari ganiga. Biyamono. Asa maskania manene.
Abara ingoira na bale. Senator Biyamono has also postponed your very important business you had in the Senate and the other leaders. Thank you very much for joining us and we are very grateful. Ningependa kusema namna hii. For the last few weeks, the county assembly has been streamlining its leadership so that it is able to execute its oversight role. And it is the right of the assembly to do that. The Junechi Nguru chaired members of the county assembly kubange house yabo. Whatever ingo nyarebe nkiakoba. The process yitu answer nereye rentererete my minority leader to colleagues amo enyomba ya lego sambwa na ndi one role kuli waitu. We are asking the investigation agencies who are doing a good job proceed and arraign the suspects. And our leaders, this is not the first case. There's another case that we highly suspect is a result of what we are doing in the house. We all know the case of Charles Kinanga. Ondieki. It has not been proved beyond a reasonable doubt that that was an accident. Charles was with us on a Tuesday in the assembly. And the following day, within a few hours, less than 24 hours, Charles was dead. While yesterday we were conducting proper business of the house, our colleague leaders, led by the suspended Enoch Okero, former speaker, led goons to an independent institution which is protected in law to disturb the businesses of the house. I'm saying, let me finish by just saying like this. Whatever we are doing as elected leaders is for the overall good of the county. It's for the overall good of the county. I will play my rightful role and the other members, the 23 of us, to ensure development in our county and proper organization. My brother Nyangana, you've been close to me and you know where we have come from. Hawa wananchi wanakutegemea wa provide leadership. That is a small challenge that you have faced in the process of you providing leadership. Ile ni kitu kidogo sana. Usikufe moyo. As we have said, we will stand with you, and you know when we say what we say, we mean what we are saying.
Huyu mko naye DCI. Utafuatwa, hakuna mahali utajificha. County Police Commander yako hapo, na ukipatikana na hatia utapokelewa na huyo. Unaitwa eno. Ndiye ako pale. Huyu mko naye DCI. Utafuatwa, hakuna mahali utajificha. County Police Commander yako hapo, na ukipatikana na hatia utapokelewa na huyo. Unaitwa eno. Ndiye ako pale.
Mheshimiwa Cherusa, Mheshimiwa Kibageni na Steve Mugabe. Mbongi na barabara na tuelewe katiba ya Kenya. Hii katiba imepatia kila mtu laini yake ili anatembea. MCAs wamepewa mamlaka yao ya kupitisha sheria county assembly, waangalie oversight, watengeneze file litumiwe Nairobi. Hata Kericho, si Kericho mliona ilitumwa? Mheshimiwa Cherusa, Mheshimiwa Kibageni na Steve Mugabe. Mbongi na barabara